Well, I got a package there with nollie wheels. See here also it's I love nollie wheels. So let's open it. And this is inside. That was what I ordered. A baggie. So let's open this. Nollie wheel sticker. A small nollie wheel sticker. I love nollie wheels. And another I love nollie wheels. And here's some nollie wheels metal normal. Let's open this. Here's a shape. They are single bearings made of aluminium. Wait a second, I'm gonna take my fingerboard over. So yeah, here it's my Flatfish G6Ys. You see the difference, they are wider. Yeah, and I think they are smaller too. So yeah, that was my unboxing video.